I'm going to stop at that page and continue another day because I want to go ahead and take some time to go ahead and do a math lesson with you guys. So I have at home some, you guessed it, some M&Ms, and there are other kind of candies in there too. And so I don't have the basic colors that they had in this counting book that we just read, like the blue, orange, red, green, yellow, and brown. But I can still do counting at home using the colors that I have. Okay, and so this goes with anything that you may have. You might not have M&Ms, but you might have something else that you can use to count and do a math lesson. And so I'm going to open up my jar, and I'm going to go ahead and pour out all my candies first. Okay, I'm going to pour them all out. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get all these that are not M&Ms and put them back in the jar because I don't need those right now. Okay, so I'm putting all those back in there. And a good thing that you can do when you're putting things back is you can always go ahead and count them as you're putting them back. Okay, so I'm just keeping all these small M&Ms that we had here. So I'm even taking some of the M&Ms that are bigger size. Okay, and so one of the things, and so I'm looking at my colors that I have, and I have hot pink, I have red, I have a lighter pink, I even have like a medium pink. No, this is a hot pink one, yeah. And then I have white, okay? And so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and sort these out, okay? So I have these paper plates right here that I'm going to use. And so I'm going to go ahead and put all my reds together first, right over here. I'm just going to put them there. All of these reds. And so a good thing that we like to do is, and that just makes it easier as we count, and I'm kicking off the big ones that I had, is that it's good to go ahead and sort them by color because it's easier to see how many we have of each. Oops. So here I am putting them where they go with the reds. And man, do these M&Ms smell so good. So I don't know if you can tell, but because of the colors that I have at home, can you guess when I bought these or for what holiday? You got it, Valentine's. All right, so I have all my reds on one plate. So I'm gonna put these to the side, and now I'm gonna work on my whites. Take off the big ones, and all my whites. And so there are other things that you can use, like Skittles. In the book, they used a package, and then they just used the book as a guide. You can always just take a small mini package that you have and do that. Okay, this is all I have for my white. I'm going to put those aside. And now I'm going to split up my pinks. So I have my darker shade of pink that I'm going to put on here. And I'm going to leave the lighter shade of pink on this plate for now, as I'm just sorting all of my M&Ms. Okay, so then I have these ready, and so I'm going to put those on the side. And then I'm just going to put on this plate over here all these pinks that were left, but there's a lot that were chipped over here, and they have like just the crumbs of them, and so I'm just going to just take the ones that are whole, and that way I don't have other stuff on my plate. Okay, and then I'm going to put this plate aside. Okay, so far I have my one shade of pink, my white, my reds, and my darker shade of pink over here. Okay, and so looking at all of my 4 plates, which one do you think so far that you can estimate which one has the most? Would it be these here, these, these or these? Which ones do you think? Red, dark pink, white, or light pink? That's right, the reds. I can see so many of them. Okay, I see a lot more red than I do the others. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and you're going to have my help as you count with me these white M&Ms. And then I'm going to actually write the number on them. So I'm going to go ahead and get a pen real quick so that we can write that. There we go. All right, so let's go ahead and work. Okay, so let's go ahead and count these. I'm going to put them over here so that they're all together, and then I'm going to take them one by one and put them on this side. So help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. There are 30 white ones. And so I'm going to write on my plate right here, 3, 0, 3, 10, 0, 1, 30. Okay, I have 30 white M&Ms. Okay, and I'm going to put these to the side. Now I'm going to go ahead and count this dark pink, and let's see how many are here. And I'm going to put them aside again. I'm going to do it the same way that we counted earlier. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and count by ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Oh my goodness, I would have never thought that we had the same exact number. So I have 30 darker pink. So I'm going to write 3, 0 again on my plate. 30. Now, I'm writing on these plates because they're paper plates. So friends, do not write on your plates at home because your parents might not be happy with that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put those to the side. Now I'm going to get my red and count these. And I know these are a lot more. So I might not have enough space to spread them out as I did the other ones. But we'll see. Okay, so let's count our red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm going to move these further away. And I'm just going to go ahead, and I like to keep them by 5. We're at 20 so far. And I like to keep them by 5. But because I know there's so many more and I'm not going to have enough space, I'm going to go ahead and add some more on the side. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Oh my goodness. I'm going to have to hold them on my hand here. I'm at 38. Don't forget. 38, 38. And we're going to keep on counting. 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. I'm going to put these just kind of in random spots. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. Oh my goodness, can you believe it? 63, 63. Okay, so far I think we're right. There were a lot more red than there are white and dark pink. So let's look at our lighter pink. Okay, we got a big one over here. I'm going to put it away. All right, count these with me. Whew, tired of counting on those. But we can do it. We can keep going even when we start getting tired. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Oh, move them out. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, and 38. 38 light pink M&Ms. Wow, look at that. So there are so many things that we can do with these. It is incredible. Okay, we can go ahead and graph. We can go ahead and put them all together. We can go ahead and see which one has the most, the least, which ones are the same. We can see how many more there are of one color or how many less there are of one color. The possibilities to do math with candies and anything else that we have are endless. And so today, what I want us to work on, because we already did counting, so that's good. We had our counting done, okay? But I really want to know how many we have all together. And so we're going to do that. Now, there are very different ways that we can do this. We can figure out how many there are by counting them all again. We can start with 1. We can count on. But there are also another way that we can do this. And I think right now in kindergarten, you know what, I'm going to tell you this secret. It is a lot to count, okay? I know that we can figure it out though, okay? And so I'm going to show you what I would do, how I'm going to figure it out so that we can do it together. So I'm just going to turn this around so we can use it as my paper. Okay, and again, this is a paper plate. This is why I'm writing on it. Okay, so far, let's look at our M&Ms. We said we had, of the white ones, we had 30. So that is 30, and then I'm putting it together. So, and 30 hot pink, and 38 light pink, and 63 red ones. Okay, and we want to know, what do all of these equal when we put them together?